what causes the decline of Islam in this era, especially in this era? I think we can trace back the origin, the causes, the preliminary causes. What caused Islam to decline is come from since 1920s when the Ottoman Empire collapsed at the time because of a conspiracy between someone inside the kingdom with the British government to destroy the kingdom, the Ottoman Empire. That is the early warning that made Islam decline so rapidly, so greatly. But if I trace back a long time ago, Islam has declined since the leadership of Khulafaur Rashidin, Sayyidina Ali.
Masya Allah.
You know that at the time Muslims start to divide and cause a dichotomy between Muslims at the time, which some of them follow or support Sayyidina Ali, and some of them support Aisyah, and then some of them support Muawiyah. And at the time, some Muslims at the time wanted to divide from Sayyidina Ali and then become they are called Khawarij at the time, and they wanted to kill three people at the time: Sayyidina Ali, Muawiyah, and Amr bin Ash, if I'm not mistaken, Amr bin Ash. But they were able to kill two people, but Amr bin Ash was safe. And after that, Muslims start to become a lot divisive, because the Prophet has said before, my nation, my ummah will be divided into 73
Sakafrata umati selamanya semua fi kadam fi kulum binar illa wahidah.
And each of them claim themselves that they are the righteous.
Masya Allah.
They are noble. They are eligible to enter Jannah.
Correctly.
They are. They feel confident that they are in the correct path, in the right path. But after that, only the true group, which is Al-Sunnah will prevail, will be on top, because we are the most consistent, the most steadfast in our paths. And then since that, many Orientalists and many infidels, many unbelievers try to destroy Islam. They tried as hard as they can, but they fail. Every time they try, they fail. And then until what I said before, until 1920s, they take one of Muslim from Turkey, Ottoman Empire, which name MEA.atau. He was taken to Britain to study in their country, study about politics, economy, and then they put him back to Ottoman Empire and take control of the empire and destroy it from inside. And I really regret that we are accepting worldly possessions from unbelievers for the sake of this short life, right? Life is so short that we exchange it for money, for wealth, for position, high ranking. But in fact, we need to realize this time, in this era, what caused Islam to decline in Aceh, especially since the killing of ulama at the time by Sultanate Sakajuddin. He was stubborn. She was stubborn that she didn't listen to ulama at the time, and she didn't listen to great scholars at the time.
Allah.
She was adamant to kill everyone who opposed her ruling. Yeah? And then in this era, every time after I want to conclude this conclusion, every revelation and every messenger is sent. Messenger are sent by Allah in every ummah, but
MasyaAllah.
our Prophet Muhammad SAW is
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
the last messenger, the last prophet and messenger, and after him we are not going to have any more prophet or messenger, but we need to stick to ulama. But over time after time and again, parents start to many parents start to become weak in their belief. After they are weak in their belief, and then they forget to teach their children which right path, which path is right, and then this will happen in every generation until the end of times, until we can see the emergence of Islam again by Imam Mahdi at the end of times. And we really we should support Imam Mahdi, but by doing what our part. We should do whatever we can in this time and wherever we are. We shouldn't go to Syria maybe just think about how to go jihad in Syria and Iraq,
Palestine,
in Yemen, Palestine. But in Syria and Iraq, it's not a good place to jihad, because it is still a devil's playing field. Many Jews and Christians play in that area, so it is not clear yet to go jihad there. But the clear way is to go to Palestine.
Allahu
I
Akbar.
think that's all.
Wrong in question.